Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. The reason for my video today is that I'm going to London Watch Show, which is in Marriott Grosvenor House, Park Lane. So I'm going to document my journey and experiences today, and also I'll have a mystery watch because sadly since I bought the watch I've not been able to get it fitted. So I'm hoping I can get that done today. Okay, I'm at London Bridge and I actually forgot that I have to change up one street from the Jubilee line onto the Central line. The train was packed and I believe we weren't required to wear a mask if the train isn't too busy. Sadly, I lost my mask. I brought it anyway, but I couldn't find it when I got on the train. And anyway, I had a really nice conversation with the people next to me about that very subject. And I filmed a few bits and bobs while I was on the train, so that's what I was doing. So I told them a bit about my channel, and they, one or two of them subscribed, which was nice. It's nothing like when you meet someone that's actually doing, even if it's something you're not interested in, they're doing their videos and stuff, and it's then interesting to talk to them about it. Wow, this is what London's tube is like on a Sunday. It's still quite busy. Okay, I've now made it to Park Lane and the excitement is reaching fever pitch. I probably can take off my mask now, but I want to see what the rules are inside the venue before I'm doing all that, because I've got my bags and everything with me, and it's, I know it's a bit annoying to put things on and off again. I've got to make sure I don't get knocked over while I'm doing this video vlog for you guys. I mean, look at some of the beautiful London architecture, by the way, behind me. Not so much the big high-rise that I can see, that's a new building. But in terms of the older buildings in London, wow, it's magnificent. London Watch Show. Thank you. Okay, I'm outside the Grosvenor House, and at the entrance for the watch show I've been told that there's no mask requirement. Really looking forward to seeing the watches on offer here, and I'm going to give you an update from when I'm inside. Hopefully I better take some kind of video and stuff when I'm there, but sadly, I may not be able to film too much while I'm inside. It might just be pictures. I don't quite know all the protocol, but I'll give it my best shot to give you some stunners. Okay, I've just made my way inside, and it's kind of a bougie event, I have to say. It looks like it's going to be fantastic. There's like the main floor. My hand is blocking it, but yeah, it's the main floor. So yeah, I'm just going to take a walk around and look at all the exhibitions, or exhibitors rather, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on some of the nice watches that I've seen, some of the not so nice. So I'm at the guys Charles Fish, and they've got some lovely watches in their collection. Straight away the Yachtmaster 2 and collections of G&T Master 2s that they've got, of course, caught my eye. And then they've also got some Tudors. They've got a nice selection of Tudor watches, Black Bays, and they've actually got a Harrods Tudor Special Edition right here, plus the new Black Bay with the blue face, Black Bay 58. I'm not sure if you can see, but they've got a lovely collection of Daytonas, and this part is obviously super packed, of course. Okay, I've seen some lovely watches so far. I've seen a 1980s root beer, which was really, really nice, going for around 11k. Quite a few Daytonas. But I've seen a lot of Rolex, a few of the boutiques, Audemars Piguet watches. What I haven't seen is something really, really super rare. So I'm going to try and see if I can find something really, really rare and give you a sneak preview of what that looks like in real life. Everyone's been really good about taking photos and videos so far, but I haven't taken maybe as much as I've liked. I've had a really good, so I spoke to, I think it was Jeff from, I believe it's the Watch Room. Fantastic story about how he got into the watch business and how his interest started. If he doesn't mind me quoting him here. But yeah, I do want to see a really rare watch today, but let me keep looking, I'll get back to you.